Okay, this video is on AutoText. Okay, that's in here in the quick parts. So you can put pretty much anything in AutoText and it will save whatever you put in there. So I'm going to just quickly do a signature line. So I'm going to say sincerely Sandy Granberry PhD. And then in between here, go back. There we go. I'm going to put my actual signature. So I'm going to go to the pictures and I'm going to scroll down and find SG. And so there I've got my whole signature block. If you wanted to put something under here so that you did a title, you could do BYU Idaho Adjunct Professor, whatever you want on here. Professor. I can't spell it. And then you're going to select the entire thing and you're going to go up to Insert and click on the down arrow on Quick Parts and AutoText, and right here, because I've selected it, I can save selection to AutoText Gallery. So I'm going to click on that. And here it gives me an option to decide what I'm going to see when I go into the Building Blocks Organizer. And I'm just going to call it, let's see, what should I call it? S-SIG. That's not something I would normally type, so I'm going to call it S-SIG. And it's going to go in the AutoText. The category can be general, or you can create a new category and say My Stuff, so that all your stuff would be together. And remember, it's under category, so we can sort by that. And then description, this is my BYUI signature. And click Okie dokie. And you'll see it saving it in the normal dot. That's a blank piece of paper. So anytime you pull up a blank piece of paper, this will be available to you. So I'm going to click OK. So now I'm just going to get a blank piece of paper so you can see. And I'm going to go to Insert. And I'm going to go to Quick Parts. I'm going to go to Building Blocks Organizer. And I'm going to sort by category so that you can see where is My Stuff. That's what I want. My Stuff right there. And there's my signature. So you can go in here and insert it from here. Or you can just type the title that you gave it. S-SIG. Oops. And see this little box that pops up right here? If you just press Enter, you're going to get the AutoText that you just created, and you can use it over and over again in as many documents as you want. Now you can put anything in AutoText. For instance, you can put word art in. So if I wanted to say something like, I love the way you did this assignment. Okay, so I've got AutoText, and let's say I want to make it crooked. So now it's selected because you see the little box around it is selected. So I'm going to go up to Insert and Quick Parts. And I'm going to go to AutoText and say Save Selection to AutoText Gallery. And again, I'm going to make it in My Stuff. And I think I'm going to say a feedback, like assignment feedback. And this is word art feedback. Okay? And again, I'm saving it in normal dot. That means anytime I get up a blank piece of paper, anytime I pretty much get up any document, this should be available to me. So I'll click OK. And now if I get another new document, so now I can use the feedback word art by typing in the code. So this shows you another little trick that you're going to run into. So I'm going to be here and I'm going to say a feedback. Now see, you didn't get the little box to pop up, and it doesn't matter what I do, it's not going to make any difference because it's word art and Word doesn't quite know what to do with that. So if ever your AutoText doesn't work, the workaround that they've given you is to press the F3 key. So I'm going to press F3 and there's my quick parts, my AutoText. So F3 will make your AutoText come up if for some reason it doesn't work. Alright, so I'm going to go here, go here, and I'm going to click on here, and now you can see the two that I've made. So the latest ones that you do are going to show up here, and you can just click on one of those and insert it there, or you can use the code. If you forget what you typed for the code, then this will work. But you'll notice that there are other autocorrect things, like you can type the date. If I type November, see that pops up? And then if I push space, it gives me today's date, and I can just press enter and I get today's date. So there are many built-in things here that you can use. Feel free to go around in here and play with it and see what's available to you and use what works for you and make your document perfect. So the main thing is have fun.